Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 3A Lite, and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and simply for checking you can use Wi-Fi or mobile data. However, if you'll decide to download the update, I highly recommend switching to the Wi-Fi so you can avoid some charges because the file packages which are connected with the update are quite large, and downloading them with the usage of the mobile data might be quite risky. Alright, so we've got the internet connection, and now we have to open the settings. Here, let's scroll all the way down to find About Phone, and here simply tap on this NothingOS. Then tap on it again, so NothingOS, and now your device will check for the updates, and basically you can meet two different scenarios. This is the first one where your software is up to date and there's nothing to download, and the second one is where your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on download or install and apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.